So he was there for us every step of the way. It meant so much for us to come into a home that not only just in an area that we were looking for where our children can go to college, work nearby, and just in a good community and neighborhood. The previous house that we had, we were upgrading to this one, so it was a bigger home, and that's the reason why we chose this home, because of the area, because of the size of the home, and again for our children just to start their new lives here. Our dream is now our reality, and if you just take a look at the backyard, you'll see what I'm talking about.
Okay, this new home brings us new changes and a new mood to our family so that we could continue to pursue our goals, such as for me, I just got admitted to UCI, so by buying this place, I could commute to UCI much faster, and I could pursue my education. And for mom, she could commute to work easier, and she could closely access to her community.
Our experience with Michelle and Rudy was amazing. In a week, we are already in escrow. She was already there for us, all the time there for us, anytime we needed her help, her advice. And we are really, really happy that the process finished so fast, and we are able to finally go together.
He was also very, very patient, where I find that kind of rare. He's very genuine, and I think that's the reason why we enjoy this company so much. It's mostly because of the connection that we made with Jay.
And we genuinely enjoy this company too.
Yeah.
Like anytime we spend time with him looking at houses, I mean, he's a fun guy, and he's a great guy.